Hello students, now in this video we will discuss about neutral point. Okay, this is chapter 5 and lecture number 11. First, what is neutral point? Neutral point according to magnetic field means any point where net magnetic field is zero. Net magnetic field is zero. For example, let us suppose this is the magnet and magnetic field at that point due to this magnet is here, and the Earth's magnetic field or any other magnetic field is here. If both the magnetic field at that point is same, means in equal in amount, equal in magnitude and in opposite direction, then at that point the net magnetic field is zero, and that particular point is called neutral point. Okay, here we have taken a bar magnet, it is bar magnet, and external magnetic field. This external magnetic field is due to Earth's magnetic field. Okay, it may be by any other bar magnet or any other sources. Okay, this is Earth's magnetic field. Okay, means Earth's magnetic field is going from this point to this point to this point. Okay, means and here the bar magnet is placed, and bar magnet's north pole is pointing toward north pole. Magnet placed in magnetic meridian with its north pole pointing north. Okay, means the direction is north here. Okay, here we will see that this is north direction, this is south direction. Okay, and this is north pole of the bar magnet and this is south pole of the bar magnet. Means when we placed a bar magnet in a Earth's magnetic field, the bar magnet is placed horizontally. Okay, if bar magnet is producing magnetic field from north to south, here due to bar magnetic field will be in the direction of this external magnetic field. Means external magnetic field is in this direction and also from north in this direction. Means here magnetic field due to external source, magnetic field due to bar magnet, both are in the same direction. That means there will never be a neutral point. Here south, this is south pole, and this external magnetic field is going in this direction. Means due magnetic field due to Earth's magnetic field and magnetic field due to this bar magnet is in the same direction. Means here will not be any neutral point. Okay, but at that point magnetic field due to Earth's magnetic field of Earth is in this direction and magnetic field of bar magnet is in this direction, means opposite direction. Here may be the chance to be a neutral point. Okay, here also magnetic field due to bar magnet is in this direction, Earth's magnetic field is opposite direction, means here may be the chance of neutral point. Okay, and these points is on the equatorial point. These are the equatorial point of this bar magnet, because this is the bar magnet and this point is this line is the equatorial line. Means these points lies on the equatorial line here. Okay, because the bar magnet is placed horizontally, then horizontal magnetic field of Earth will be equals to the magnetic field on the equatorial. Okay, on the equatorial, and the point magnetic field on the equatorial point will be mu naught upon 4 pi in the magnitude mu naught by 4 pi m by r cube. on the equatorial point, m by r cube. Okay, if you know the horizontal component of magnetic field and magnetic moment of the bar magnet, then you will be able to calculate the distance, at what distance the neutral point occur. Okay, hope you are understanding. Now south pole pointing north, south pole pointing north, this is north and this is south. Okay, here magnetic field is from north to south. Okay, here you will see that at that point, on the equatorial point, magnetic field due to this magnetic field due to this bar magnet is up direction, and magnetic field by the earth is in the same direction. Here there will not be any chance to be a neutral point because both the magnetic field is in the same direction. Here same, both the magnetic field due to the earth and due to this bar magnetic field is in the same direction. That means there will not be any chance to be neutral point. Okay, here the magnetic field due to earth is up direction and this is south because the magnetic field will be into the south pole. That means here may be the chance there will be a opposite magnetic field, one upside due to external magnetic field and downside due to this bar magnet. Same here, this is north pole, the magnetic field will be downside, and here due to external source magnetic field is upside, means there will be a opposite magnetic field and there may be a chance, and there also may be a chance to be the neutral point. Okay, hope you're understanding. Means and also we know that this is the bar magnet and this is the axis of this bar magnet, and neutral point will occur on the axis. Here same formula, but horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field will be equals to axial mu naught by 4 pi 2m upon r cube. 2m upon r cube. This is m upon r cube and this is 2m upon r cube. When the north pole is pointing toward north, then this is mu naught by 4 pi m by r cube. When the south pole is pointing toward north, then this will be equals to mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r cube, and putting the value of horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field and magnetic moment and value of mu naught by 4 pi, that is 10 to the power minus 7, and you will be able to calculate the distance, at what distance from the central point the neutral point occur. Hope you are understanding, and thanks for watching this video.